in today's video I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows with eyeshadow, and you don't need any fancy products to define your eyebrows. Instead, grab what you probably already own, and this is eyeshadow. Now my name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a makeup artist, and let's get started. Just a quick tip, this method is great if you don't own any brow powder, and eyeshadow will give you the same result and it's also less expensive. Now the tools that you will need is of course at first an eyeshadow. Make sure that it matches with your brow hairs and that it's not too warm toned, but go either to the direction that it has a grey undertone or that it's cool toned so that it will look the most natural. Then you will need to have a spoolie. You will also need to have an angled brush, an eyeliner pencil to measure your brows, a little bit of concealer just in case you're doing any mistakes, and of course a brush that you can also use to apply the concealer with. Now let's move on to the application. Step number 1, brush through your brows. Brush through your brows with the spoolie to separate the hairs. Step number 2, for the perfect eyebrow shape, measure the 3 main points. Find where your brow should start. Look straight into a mirror using a brow brush as your measuring tool, holding it against the outside of your nostrils, straight up past the inner corner of your eye, and mark it with an eyeliner pencil. Find your arch. Angle the brush from the nostril so it points straight across your pupil. Find where your brow should end. Angle the brush from your nose so it passes the outer corner of your eye. Step number 3, brush down your brow hairs. Brush down your brow hairs and then fill in the top part. Use short, feathery strokes and follow your guide points and fill in any spare areas. Step number 4, brush up your brow hairs. Brush up your brow hairs and fill in the bottom part. Step number 5, fill in the middle of the brow. Fill in the middle of the brows towards the brow tail. Keep your application soft and light-handed towards the front and add little by little, making the color bolder as you reach the brow tail. Also, you can use the spoolie in between to separate the brow hairs and get a smoother application. Step number 6, clean up any mistakes with concealer. Clean up any mistakes with concealer, and this will also sharpen the edges. Use a bit of concealer on the back of your hand and then use the concealer brush, which also will help you to erase the dots that you've applied earlier. You can also create a sharp tail with the concealer so that it will even out any mistakes. Now this is how you can do your eyebrows with eyeshadow, and I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and that you can follow the steps at home. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!